On Wednesday this week, I attended Winter Parliament's first session. That's right. I only wanted to check out the ATM in Parliament. That was the reason I just went there, came running out. But good news, Coldplay. Coldplay is performing this weekend in Mumbai. Bad news, tickets are sold out. But don't worry, you can still get to see Coldplay. All you got to do is, if you're in Mumbai, check out the bank queues in Bandra. You're bound to bump into Coldplay members who are changing their old notes for new. Even foreigners, folks, even foreigners. It's called the week that wasn't. You may not have noticed this, but I'm also standing in a queue, as you can see. Behind, Bhupen, Zaka, Anuba, other people on the channel. I'm right at the back waiting in line. Anyway, in all this doom and gloom about standing in queues, ATMs being shut, etc., we at the week that wasn't want to give you something to lighten the load. Something fresh, something pure to make you guys smile again. So here is a picture of Alia Bhatt. Feeling better? Feeling much better? And now just to make sure everybody, all lobbies are kept happy, here's an alternative picture. This is of Mahesh Bhatt. See? Pura Hindustan happy ho gaya abhi. I've kept them all happy. I'm ready to be Prime Minister. Now let's go to America where they have a new president coming up soon. US President-elect Donald Trump has announced that he will take only $1 as annual salary for being the president. So guess what that means? Donald Trump will not pay his taxes for another 4 years. Trump has also said he won't take any vacation during his tenure of 4 years. Now, isn't that obvious? If you ask all immigrant workers to leave, Trump will also have to do their work. So who else will do the work? No time for vacation. The Congress party back in India, the Congress party has said that the issuance of 2,000 rupees note is a big scam. Congress thinks that anything that starts with 2 is a scam. Be it 2K, 2G, 2,000, 2B or not to be, that kind of thing. Yeah, so this week the Director General of Civil Aviation came down hard on pilots reporting sick and allegedly bunking work. Well, in Delhi, it's not just the pilots who report sick, it's also the passengers. And the reason is Delhi. Delhi, you live in Delhi, this is what happens. Can you believe this, folks? Italian Olympic fencing champion Daniel Garozzo's stolen gold medal was found in a rubbish heap somewhere in Italy. What are the chances of this happening in India? I mean, have you checked the price of gold? Look at the rubbish heap. See if you get lucky. Lots more news from this week, but first, the headlines. In our headlines, the currency scenario is getting worse. We take a look at how it's affecting our country. Also, Children's Day was celebrated in India. We talked to a teacher from the other side of the fence. And who elected Donald Trump as President-elect of the United States of America? I'm told it's a party of Indians who live there. We talked to their head. All right, our top story, of course, the queues are unending. They're going on and on as you go into the weekend. There's no change. You are suffering standing in line. But our cameras caught people and found out that Indians are coping in their own way. Let's take a look. Here is the currency scenario. Is it getting worse?
हेलो
अरे यार अरे कितना टाइम लग रहा है यार भाई
हाँ हाँ आ रहा हूँ बस हो गया आ रहा हूँ
अरे ब्रो यार फोन पे लगा आगे बढ़ यार
सॉरी
क्या ठंडे दिमाग से आगे
सॉरी हाँ
Show some respect.
प्लीज यार हाँ सॉरी लड़की क्या है यार क्या
2 घंटा फंस गया मैं इधर 2 घंटा फंस गया मैं आई एम जनरल मैनेजर ऑफ द कंपनी यार मीटिंग चालू है अभी
बॉस मैं कल भी 4 घंटे खड़ा था आज भी 4 घंटे खड़ा हूँ
happening
ऑफिस
to
से
our
फोन आ रहे
society?
हैं मुझे जाना है
इनको
क्या
कुछ पता नहीं
अरे
है
भाई के 2 घंटे 4 घंटे कर रहा है मैं 3 महीने से खड़ा हूँ भाई इस लाइन में दिमाग खराब है तेरा
3 महीने
हाँ 3 महीने से खड़ा हूँ भाई आगे लाइन में
सर जी एक बात बताऊं ये स्कीम सिर्फ 4-5 दिन की स्कीम है
हाँ
3 महीने की बात कहाँ से
हाँ
4-5 दिन
हाँ 4-5 दिन अनाउंस किया प्रधानमंत्री ने 4-5 दिन पहले
अरे पागल है कि 3 महीने से चल रहा है ये
3
सब
महीने पागल तो वो है यार सर ये तो लाइन नोट्स की लाइन है
नोट चेंज करने का
नोट्स की लाइन
हाँ 500,000 कैंसिल हो गया ना नोट्स इसलिए हम लोग सब खड़े हैं लाइन में
लाइन में चेंज करने के लिए
हाँ
अरे साला ये नोट की लाइन है
नोट की लाइन है
अरे भाई मैं समझा ये रोडी के ऑडिशन की लाइन है ये रोडीज का ऑडिशन नहीं चल रहा अरे साले यार क्या ये तरीका है पागल बना रखा है अरे नोट का मेरे को क्या लेना है यार नोट तो मेरा बाप ला के देता है तू जानता नहीं मेरा बाप कौन है दिमाग खराब कर दिया तो चलो छोरी रोडीज की लाइन में ढूंढेंगे चल
रोडीज का लाइन कम है चल
अरे चलो वो आ गया वो आ गया वो आ गया लास्ट बस हैज अराइव्ड ओह सो बेटा बच्चों दिस इज माय विल I'll read it out. So, for my favorite wife, I leave both my tractors. Tractors, हाँ? तुम रखना चलाना. For my elder son Jayant, I leave my bungalow in Lucknow and 2 flats in वसंत विहार दिल्ली. बेटा उधर ज़्यादा वैसी वैसी हरकत मत करना. दिल्ली है, संभल के रहना. हाँ. For my daughter Smita, I leave my BMW car, Mercedes Benz and with a Tata Nano. Most important, हाँ. लेकिन चलाना सीख लेना प्लीज. ड्राइविंग सीख लेना ये सबसे पहले. And my nephew Ravi, all my stocks and shares and everything, जो भी blue chip and nano chip and microchip, everything is for Ravi. कुछ भूला तो नहीं हूँ मैं?
What about your younger son Mohit? What about me?
मोहित, my useless son, तूने खाप के बाहर शादी किया, गोत्र के बाहर शादी किया तूने. तेरी वजह से हार्ट अटैक आया मुझे. You will get everything, बेटा, everything.
Everything? Everything? Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
चुप चुप. Everything. My useless cash for useless son. सारे 500,000 के नोट इसके मुंह पे मारो साले के. और कर बाहर शादी. गोत्र में करता तो आज ना
चलो चलो जल्दी करो यार. How long to wait in this line?
क्या मुसीबत है यार.
ब्रदर मैं तो फंस गया. I can't take it anymore. हर दिन मैं यहाँ पे आते 2-3 घंटे खा जाते मेरी टाइम.
भाई साहब मैं 4 दिन से आ रहा हूँ, रोज 3-3 घंटा खड़ा रहता हूँ. अंदर जाता हूँ तो बोलते हैं कैश खत्म हो गया. कोई बात है, तरीका नहीं है यार कोई.
जब मैं तो एंड पे आता है तो बोलते हैं कि लंच ब्रेक. 4 बजे लंच ब्रेक, 5 o'clock लंच ब्रेक, 8 बजे रात को लंच ब्रेक.
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ ये कोई सिस्टम नहीं है ना जी भाई साहब.
ये देश आई थिंक इस इंडिया की प्रॉब्लम है. इंडिया इज गोइंग द रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन.
आई नो
Country is
जब
finished.
नहीं, और जब आपके पास नहीं था सप्लाई तो फिर क्यों किया ये कोई.
अरे अरे बॉस,
नहीं,
क्या
boss
क्या
है,
प्रॉब्लम
आपके
है?
ऊपर
प्रॉब्लम
अरे
क्या है?
प्रॉब्लम आपको नहीं पता चल रहा क्या
क्या
प्रॉब्लम.
प्रॉब्लम? थोड़ा देर खड़े रहो, हो जाएगा सब कुछ ठीक. हाँ, करप्शन हो रहा है देश में, करप्शन हो रहा है तो ये ऐसे ही निकलेगा. थोड़ी देर खड़ा रहोगे तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. कितना पैसा अटका है? मिल जाएगा ना सब कुछ, जो भी आपका खुद का ही पैसा है ना. खाली फुकट चिल्ला रहे हो, देश को गाली दे रहे हो.
यू आर राइट ब्रदर. सॉरी
सॉरी
अपनी गलती है. सॉरी
मैं चलो कोई बात नहीं यार. ये 1000 रुपया तो देश के लिए हम दे ही सकते हैं. खराब हो गया चलो.
क्या हो गया?
अब इतनी लंबी लाइन है, मैं सोच रहा हूँ छोड़ो अब.
1000 रुपया की
1000 रुपया
नुकसान हो जाएगा.
भाई साहब मुझे दे दो.
क्यों?
मुझे दे दो, मैं आपको 800 देता हूँ 1000 के बदले.
1000 के बदले 800?
हाँ
अल्लाह ये दीजिए. है आपके पास?
हाँ, खामा खा आप परेशान हो रहे हो. ये ले लीजिए ना. कितने 100 के चाहिए ना आपको?
हाँ 100 के.
अरे वाह.
ये लो.
अरे थैंक यू भाई साहब.
अरे,
काम हो गया
भाई
मेरा.
अरे अरे
अभी मेरे बेटा का शादी
अरे
हो रही है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Please, जल्दी.
करप्शन ऐसे ही खत्म होगा और कैसे
Yes,
होगा?
yes, we are with you. We love the country.
बस 1000 का 800, 5000 लोगे तो और थोड़ा कम कर दूंगा.
God bless you. God bless. Thank you. Yeah, but those aren't the only problems. The biggest problem I feel is that 2000 rupee note issue. You see, our denominations are 500 and straight to 2000. A big jump, big leap. How do we deal with that? Let's see. Here's a man who's got his own ideas on how to give change back. Take a look. दुकानदार जी.
हाँ नमस्ते नमस्ते. हाँ
देखिए एक दो चीज मुझे वो साबुन
वो वाला
ग्रीन वाला.
अच्छा वो ग्रीन वाला. चलो अच्छा. हाँ
आणि वो क्या है वो टूथब्रश.
वो नया है, वो नया वाला.
वो स्ट्राइप वाला चाहिए
स्ट्राइप
मेरे को.
वाला.
ब्रिस्टल
हाँ 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 हाँ.
एंड टूथपेस्ट.
टूथपेस्ट छोटे वो जरा निकालना सब कुछ.
Same.
एक एक. हाँ हाँ. और वो वाला हाँ.
नहीं वो वाला नहीं, वो वाला
अच्छा वो वाला. हाँ
के पीछे. हाँ
हाँ. एक थैली में डाल. हाँ
थैंक
हाँ.
यू
चल, दे दे.
थैंक यू. सब है, मैं चेक करता हूँ एक बार. ये है. हाँ है साबुन.
हाँ.
थैंक यू. कितना हो गया सर?
70 रुपीज.
70 रुपीज. थैंक गॉड. मैं अभी बैंक गया था, मैं खड़ा था लाइन में. ठीक है, ये है नया नोट 2000 रुपीज.
अच्छा है, अच्छा है.
सर छुट्टा
छुट्टा
हाँ
ओह,
2000 रुपया
छुट्टा,
का
हाँ, हाँ,
माइनस
हाँ,
70
हाँ, sorry, sorry.
1930 रुपया
ये-
वापस
ये
देना
आया,
पड़ेगा
हाँ.
मेरे को
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
हो गया छुट्टा, हो गया. ठीक है. हाँ मैडम, आपको क्या चाहिए?
कुछ नहीं कुछ नहीं कुछ नहीं
छुट्टा ही नहीं चाहिए किसी को. अरे बेटा,
Folks, what we're going to do right now is we're going to take a break in spite of the fact that we don't have any cash for the break. I can't feed anybody in this crew because I don't have the money as yet. My cameraman is standing in line. That's why you'll find my face is off camera throughout this show. We'll take a break, then we'll come back. Any news? Welcome back to the week that wasn't or the line that isn't, because you're standing there and waiting and waiting. Yes, the world's oldest beer. Let's go to a story away from this money issue so you just breathe again. The world's oldest beer has been recovered from a 220-year-old trading ship that sank on its way from India to Australia. Now, the Australian remains the only foreigner to come to India and return with beer. They don't understand our culture. Anyway, the world's oldest beer was found en route to Oz. However, the world's oldest beer bill remains with a certain Dr. Vijay Mallya. That's not clear whether that's going to get pushed through or not. Not in this present scenario. Health tip of the week coming up, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is, health tip of the week. Broccoli can provide you with cholesterol lowering benefits. Yes, that's the good news. All you have to do is have broccoli. The bad news? To avail of these cholesterol lowering benefits, you actually have to eat the broccoli. Okay, broccoli reminds me of children because I tell my kids to eat their greens, and at the beginning of the week we celebrated Children's Day. So what's Children's Day mean to India? Let's find out what the teachers have to say about Children's Day. They are the ones with our children. I don't even recognize my children. The teachers know who our children are. So here's a man called Mr. K.V. Anthony. He's a very important educationist from Delhi. Mr. K.V. Anthony, welcome to the show.
what welcome to the show? Say good evening, sir. Don't you have manners?
Right, good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Sorry, welcome to the show, sir.
All right, that's better. Guess what? My real name is Frank Anthony, but I changed my name to KV Anthony
You changed your name to K.V. Anthony, and why is that?
because I am an English teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya in Delhi. So that's what my initials stand for. KV, short form for Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Okay, KV as in Kendriya Vidyalaya. You're proud. Very good, Mr. KV Anthony. Happy Children's Day. So tell me, sir, how did you celebrate Children's Day?
What celebrations? No time for Children's Day celebrations. Children's may be happy, but English teachers in Delhi, like me, are not happy. Too much work.
And why is that?
Look, I am an excellent English teacher at Kendriya Vidyalaya.
I see, and?
So Delhi's Education Minister Manish Sisodia wants excellent English teachers like me to develop English reading skills among Delhi children.
Why is that?
Didn't you read it in the papers? Manish Sisodia thinks that Delhi school children are unable to study because they lack adequate reading skills.
I see. Is that true? True.
It's partly true.
Partly true, meaning not totally true.
Doesn't partly true and not totally true mean the same thing? Are you taking my English test? Are you taking my English test? Shall I punish you?
No. Sir, relax. Go on, please. I'm so sorry. Go on. Why is Manish Sisodia's judgment not totally true?
Mr. Cyrus, see, he thinks students are unable to read their textbooks properly. That is true.
Okay, and
But his conclusion that the students don't have the reading skills is not true. In fact, Delhi students do have the reading skills
so why aren't they able to read properly? Then I don't get it.
because they can't see what they are reading.
Okay.
So much of smog. In this smog, how can students read? No one is able to see what is written in their textbooks. When I walk into the class, children are opening their Hindi textbooks.
I see. That's a huge problem. Then why don't you just tell Manish Sisodia the real reason, sir?
Because we are getting paid for our voluntary teaching, and that too in the form of 100 rupee notes. I will be rich in some time.
Wow, that's nice. So no 500 and 1,000 rupees for you, huh?
Only 100 rupee notes. I don't even need to go to the ATM.
So lucky, sir. You are so lucky. You don't need to stand in queue for hours like all of us.
Yes, I don't have to go to the ATM, but I still need to go to the PTM.
PTM, what's that?
PTM as in the parent teachers meeting.
All right. So half of the Delhi parents are at the ATM, the remaining are at the PTM, the parents teachers meeting.
Absolutely correct. 100 marks to you. Okay, I have to go now and resolve queries of the parents. Bye for now.
So one more thing, although children are facing trouble reading English, I'm told their math skills have definitely improved because they have to sit at home and count 500 and 1000 rupee notes.
Mr. Cyrus, are your children doing the same thing and improving their maths?
So the silver lining, line is not a pun, I don't want to keep using those words, but the silver lining for all of us is our maths is getting better. The next generation will be very good at maths and they'll be able to figure out the change that we couldn't avail of, unfortunately. We learned too late. Now let's meet the leaders of a party that actually stood up and said we will support Donald Trump, ladies and gentlemen. This is an Indians for Donald Trump party and their leader U.R. Mani was the highest donor to Donald Trump. I want to know the after effects of that. Is he going to get some gains, any benefits out of supporting Donald Trump? Let's go straight and welcome Mr. U.R. Mani. Welcome to the show.
Udit Narayan Radhakrishnan Manohar, my friends call me.
U.R. Mani.
No, they call me Udo, you know. U.R. Mani is my American name. You know, for passport, credit card, take out pizza orders, and maybe for lap dancing, you know.
Okay, yeah, we don't, that's fine, fine. Udoji, let's talk about your feelings for Donald Trump.
Oh yeah, Donald Trump. He's the Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan of US rolled into one, you know.
Ah, so you see him as the angry young hero.
No. He's old yet is still relevant like AB, and his clothes, hair and ties are from Shah Rukh Khan film, you know.
Which one?
Maybe Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman, yeah?
Oops, all right. Moving on to the donation that you gave him, sir.
Yeah. I was very lucky, you know. I gave him a $7 million donation, you know.
7 million. Wow, apparently it's the most ever.
Yeah. I backed the right horse, you know. I was extremely lucky. Not like my friend I am Vishwas.
Why is that? Why was your friend Mr. I am Vishwas not so lucky?
He gave much less, you know. He's not a what do you call that in Hindi films? Dilwala like me, you know.
Right. So how much did Mr. Vishwas donate?
Only 5 million.
Oh, but I'm sure Mr. I am Vishwas will get some faida from this donation of 5 million now that Donald Trump is president.
That's not the point, you see. That's not the point.
So sorry, I'm not following. I don't understand.
That idiot Vishwas donated by check.
Donated by check, so?
Yeah. I donated Indian rupees, $7 million in Indian rupees, you know, all 1,000 notes. So I got really lucky.
Right. So how did you know before that you could give this money to the president? Somebody told you? What is the name of the association again?
No, I can't tell you that. No, please.
Unbelievable. Why can you help us? We are fellow Indians. You have to reach out to the motherland and help us in times of need. You don't have to stand in lines. You just have to call up Donald Trump. Who do I call up? Anyone I can call up? ATM is working? No, not yet. We'll see you soon if we have the right change. माइक के पीछे भागता है because obviously आपका second business है ये माइक के साथ. So why don't you have slightly back to camera?
पास आ जाओ क्योंकि वो गैप अच्छा नहीं दिखता.
Then his action लड़की के हाथ और आगे. मोहित, tone is more important than words. अब just corruption को याद रख, बाकी just shout it out.
हाँ.
I will ask people who want to invest, give it to me. 20 lakhs, I'll put it.
I'll take another generic. Yeah.